Welcome to the Government News Hour. Here's who will be smearing today. Reporting on. Earlier today, human rights defenders staged a protest outside the government center. Sources close to the situation say these radical terrorists are traitors and criminals. They say they are peacefully working to support your rights. But what's so great about rights? Who wants to be able to speak their mind or gather in groups? They say they stand for freedom of expression, equality, and justice for all. But we're pretty sure those are buzzwords for evil criminal deeds. Just look at these violent thugs undermining our peaceful nation. So definitely stay afraid. And if you see any of these scary individuals, let the government know right away. These dangerous people must be questioned. We can't have these notions of freedom and justice spreading. We want to keep you, the people, safe. We definitely have your best interest in mind.
Some governments and other actors are creating smear campaigns to delegitimize human rights defenders. So when you hear a smear campaign, remember that human rights defenders are regular folks in the community who care about justice, equality, and dignity. If you stand up and speak out, smear campaigns against human rights defenders won't work. Communities will see that a just world for all is possible, and defense of human rights is a key starting point.